Well, this week is a big week for high school students in Auckland. The world's largest Polynesian secondary school cultural festival is on. And of course, we're talking about Polyfest.
That's right, and it's very exciting because this year Polyfest celebrates 40 years.
Amazing.
And Alistair Kata is in Manukau at the festival. Alistair, what's the atmosphere like there right now?
Yes, well, thank you, Tom. We're still waiting for that sunshine to come out, but this isn't holding back the crowds behind me. Joining me now, we have two veterans of the event, Mele and Toisulu. Now, Mele, this event started in 1976 with only 4 schools, and now we have over 60 schools competing. Did you ever think it was going to get so big?
Oh yes, you know, Pacific people, you know, they have a dream and then it gets bigger and bigger, and look at it now. 4 schools, now it's 60-something schools, Alistair. Of course it is. It was going to grow.
Absolutely. Now, why is it so important that young people get down to these events?
This is their culture, this is their identity, and also it's learning another culture. You don't have to be Pacifica to be in the diversity stage or the other way around. So, you know, showcasing their culture, showcasing their language and their identity.
That's exactly right. And on that note of keeping culture and language alive, why is it important that we keep that the focus of Polyfest this year, Toisulu?
Because we don't want the young people growing up in New Zealand to lose their home culture and their language. So this is a forum for them to learn, relearn, visit, and it brings the interest up so that they can go back home and just fit in with the home crowd. Speaking their language, not speaking English all the time.
That's exactly right. Now, this event, it brings all kinds of cultures out. How important is it that we grab other people who may not be part of that Pacific community?
Well, you know, Auckland is a diverse culture, okay? So it's better to learn from each other and make sure they understand how people appreciate
And Toisulu?
culture.
If you know somebody else's language, it makes communication so much easier, and the young people can talk to each other, collaborate, cooperate, instead of doing other sort of not nice actions that they sometimes get into.
Right, and the future of Polyfest, how do you see it playing out?
Well, at the moment, you know, the students who are performing are also getting credits, you know, for NCEA. So hopefully all the Pacifica languages are going to be included and actually recognised at the NCEA.
And on that note, have a fantastic day, ladies. Thank you for talking to me. Come on down to Polyfest, come and join us. Back to you guys in the studio.
Looks great. And you're an old De La Salle boy.
Yep, I am an old De La Salle boy.
You reckon they're going to take out the Samoan stage?
I always hope they take it out. But you know, I went to La Salle, but I never actually made the Samoan group.
Okay.
Started in the front, ended up at the back end, and ended up watching. But yeah, stay with us. After the break, John Pulu hits the streets to ask that question.
What are your thoughts on male circumcision?
Because it hurts.
We're going to surprise you. What are your thoughts on